Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a favorite, jalapeno poppers. Alright, so for this recipe we're going to need bacon. I have jalapeños here. Here I have about 9, 2 packages of cream cheese, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder. I have my 2 trays because I'm going to cook them in the oven, and a bowl so that I can mix my cream cheese in. Alright, so the first step we're going to do is wash our jalapeños, which I already washed them. So let's go ahead and start by cutting them. Alright, so here what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the tops. And then I'm going to cut them in half. That's the way that I like to make them. I just think that they're easier to eat. And then I'm just going to devein the jalapeno. Oh, look, this one was growing another jalapeno on the inside. Anyway, I'm going to devein the jalapeno and take off the seeds and the stem. That's usually where the heat lies. So I'm going to take all of it off on both sides. Like this. So I'm just going to go like that with all of my jalapenos. And you know what? It's easier to do with a spoon, so let me grab one. I'm going to be putting them in here as I devein them because I'm going to rinse them afterwards. Rinsing them takes off some of the spice. I find that sometimes they come out, when you don't rinse them, they come out really, really spicy, and sometimes even they're too hot to eat. So I always rinse them, and that reduces the heat. So I'm just gonna devein and cut all my jalapenos. All right, so here, like I told you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse them just so that it could reduce the heat so they're not that spicy when we go to eat them. So we just rinse them like that. All right, so here we have our bowl. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add our cream cheese and we're gonna mix it up. We're gonna season it just to make sure that our poppers have all the flavor they could have. I'm gonna start by using 1 block of cream cheese. To that, I'm going to add onion powder, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. And I'm just going to mix that together. Make sure that it's softened so that it's easier to mix. I'm just going to fill it with cream cheese. Like that. I'm going to take a piece of the bacon and I'm just going to wrap it around. Like that. I'm just going to place it on the cookie sheet. Okay, I'm just going to go like that with the rest of my chiles. All right, so here the jalapenos are all wrapped and ready to go. I have my oven preheating at 450 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and put them in there for 20 to 25 minutes. We're gonna watch them and make sure that when we take them out, our bacon is fully cooked and crispy, and that the peppers are cooked as well. So let's go ahead and put them in at 450, starting with 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so it's been 25 minutes. I'm looking at my peppers and they look like they're just about to be done. They need maybe like 5 more minutes. So let's go ahead and put them back in for 5 minutes. All right, so our poppers are out of the oven. They took 30 minutes at 450 degrees. They're nice and golden brown. What I like to do next is I like to just put them on a paper towel to drain off the excess oil, like this, and then I'll just put them on the plate, just like that. So dab them off on the paper towel, and then just plate them. And there you have it, guys. These are definitely a crowd pleaser. They're a family favorite. These are so delicious. If you take these to your next cookout, they'll definitely praise you on how delicious they are. Bye everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe.